For today's video, we're going to be showing you part one of how we kind of started thinking about this, taking what we had, thinking about some of the things we wanted to do, knowing, okay, we want to build a 20 by 20 shop, shed, studio, or something. So we're going to kind of take you through that, let you see the foundation of the first part, and kind of where that goes with some pictures and videos. Not intending to make this a video, we ended up like, oh, let's throw this together, and then we're going to come back later with some future videos that show you how we built it and how this thing turned out. So tune into the channel to hear more. Thanks. It's 12-inch walls all the way around. And then coming back over here, this is the first third or so of the new shed. And it'll be a pretty thick slab, but we had some extra concrete. And so this will be where the new shed goes once that other one gets torn off.